we're playing ep1 number 2. I'm K-World, and let's get into it. Oh. Actually, let me change my name. Hey guys, it's me, and today we're playing ep1 number 2. I'm K here, and let's do it. Okay guys, make sure, game modes. Ghost. Your enemy can't see you. Actually shown. During the game. Nope. Easy. Your enemies are slow. Your enemies can't hear well. Your enemy could just see, but doesn't call his mistress. I wanna do normal. Let's begin. Oh wait. Let's do this. Ooh, I'm so scared, guys. I put normal. I should have put easy, but maybe I put dang ads. Now you guys are gonna have to watch it with me. The thundering. That's just my dog. That's just virus outside. It's oh, my poor baby. She's scared. Anyway, let's get into that. Let's go back to the game. Guys, I'm quite scared because I'm sitting in the room while it's dark. I have a pillow beside me, so if I want to, I can scream inside of it. Let's do this. The game is loading. Oh my god. My TV just flickering black and white. Oh my dear. My baby. Okay. Ren. I'm so scared, guys. You guys don't understand how scared I am. Oh, sit down. Ooh. Is that the nun? Why are her hands bent like that, bro? The way she walked. Bro, look at her. No. It's like a rabbit ate that. What? Look at her, the way her elbows are bent. Look at her. Look at the way she walked. What the heck is happening? I wonder which one is her. Sister Madeline. More like Sister Maid. Oh, I shouldn't say that. Look at how her arms, look how sharp her elbows are. And the way she, okay, walk like a model. No, look at this motherfucker. She just sitting there like, because we're in a book. Fire, chaos, destruction. We all come together. We all. There you go. Fire. She's turning evil, guys. She's turning unholy, guys. What's up with noise residents? I'm scared for my life, not even hers. I feel like Sister Madeline just unholy. Whoa.
Why am I here? As long as you don't shut up for once, I'm going to let go of my little friends. So be quiet.
Oh.
Hi, pretty. How did you nap? After these days with me, I'm sure you will regret being a bad student.
I'm scared, bro. That chicken would look like it was demonetized or something. Like, and the way I don't like her voice. She just became very unholy. Whoa. I'm a boy. I think I am. What am I standing on? What the heck? Oh my god, not this again. What am I saying? This man, she doing some good stuff on it. Oh boy. Okay. We're gonna grab this. Oh yeah, this. Weapon, please. Take that. What I do with this? I heard the chicken asleep. I'm scared to move. I'm on some type of voodoo table. Like, what the heck? This chicken is scaring me. Obviously, Miss Madam there just literally, I'm on a Ouija table, with a scary doll and two thick-looking dogs. My dog is stopping. Lily, girl, you can't be scared of fireworks. What is suspicious carpet? I'm scared to go down. Huh? Oh, where am I? My God, this one left this. Is that a hand? Oh, let's see. What is this? Craft open. Oh, wait. I think I saw that. Open piece. What else do we have chicken? I heard chicken little. Egg gun. Why do I have to do with this? Do I need to go get eggs or something? Let me get eggs. Oh God, I thought that dog moved for a second. I was scared as heck. My dog is just coming up right into me. Really. No sir. That door just opened. Is that good? My dog is literally. Is she in here? My dog, Lily. You're scared of fireworks, girl? Guys, give me a second. My dog is just a bit scared, you know. Hold up. Lily, get down, girl. I know you're scared of fireworks. They don't do that to you. Those doors just open and close. I'm not. Going to flood, girl. Oh shoot. I know for a fact it's gonna do this. Oh. I'm scared, guys. I don't want to go out here. I saw her. This whole lady is scared as heck. go to one sleeper. I don't want to pull this, bro. Guys, I'm really scared. I can't do a thing forever. So which one should I do, guys? I'm debating on classrooms and garden or church. I'm debating or attic. Yeah, I don't know. What should be most likely? Well, this another book that's a nun, so of course you did what you did in the church, but I have to go upstairs. I'm starting to think that she isn't a nun. Mutated chickens. Mutated chickens. Anyway, I have this egg gun. I know I need. What the heck? What? I thought you got that. Who's over there clicking? Scared as heck, guys. Like, it's not funny. Thing I hate about working, like, for me, that I hate myself is that, like, one thing I feel so is that when I'm playing a horror game and something scary, I can't bring myself to do it, and I'm stuck. Did that dog turn around a little bit? Hey, yo, twin. That dog was facing a bit more back there. That's gummy. He better not come through here. He better not come through. He better not come through, bro. He better not come through, bro. He better not. He better not come through. That's gummy, bro. Why does she even name a chicken? Her pet chicken gummy. That's not even a chicken. It's a thing. It's a mutated chicken. Not even a chicken anymore. I'm watching this game is so stupid. I don't want to go out there. I'm scared to gummy chicken. Gummy just keep coming in here. Huh? Here, you'll find things that you will not get. So help you. Trap. I just set my only trap down on you guys. That's fine. We're gonna go down here. We're gonna go to hospitals. Let's go to the hospital. must be in chapter chemistry experiment. 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 I don't want no types of experiments in my life. Okay. I think those chickens had enough experiments. Especially gummy. Okay guys, this is chemistry experiment, something about this is war and miracle. It's miracle. Miracle something. Church. I'm gonna give you guys a choice. Classrooms, garden, or church. I really love flowers, so I'm gonna say the garden. Classrooms. This is war. I love war, you know. Ooh, I'm scared. Not now. This is war. I have no other choice. I need to get rid of those mutant chickens. Well, what am I doing? Use this button to obtain the next item you need to move forward in the game. In exchange for watching a video. Bet. Bring that video up over here. My dog is sitting and staring.
If you want to teach your dog how to relax, pay attention. Yes, good girl. Relax. Yes. Relax. 5, 4, 3.
Bet. Whatever. I'm gonna try that with my dog. Her name is Lily. What does that mean? No. Her name is Lily. She's a sweetheart. She's a Yorkie. Don't know how old she is. She's living there. Oh. Use the piece of ruler to dang. Don't tell me nothing. Use the piece of ruler to fix the lever and access the attic from the basement. Bet. Where's the ruler? Okay. This is where we are. Oh, Gummy didn't do that. I'm killing these chickens. Is that me? Did I just make that sound? We're doing it to close this door. I'm scared as heck. I know why. Let me go to this book real quick. Is this the same thing? I'm gonna die here. So how do I go to the basement? Why is there a door but nothing behind it? This is one idiotic school. That's what I got it is. Ew, look how dirty this sink is. I think I see a face in it. Man, look at this. I can't even see myself. Ooh. 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 That was not good. Should I go out here? I don't know. Might be a little tricky. I wonder how a jump scare is. I don't try it out. Can I save right? Can I save real quick? Can I save real quick? Hold up. I wanna save. Okay. Apparently we can't save, so if I get caught, I hope it reloads. This is where I was before. So yeah. see how pixelated this is? Look at my hand, bro. Let me stop sketching myself. Anyway. Oh, I'm scared to take, guys. I might end it off here, but no. I'm coming for them gummy balls. Okay. Toilet. I'm hella scared, guys. I'm so scared. I don't want to walk out here. That's where my demise is going to be. I know for a fat gummy out here. Guess what? If I die, I'm ending this whole video. And it's going to be one short ass video. Ooh, what the hell was that? I heard a bark, but I heard a chicken bark. I don't know, like a chicken making noise in the coop. That type of noise. Here, guys. I might end the video off right here. I want to open this door though. I'm so tempted. Please don't come here. I hear this lady walking and her shoes are smacking on the floor, bro. Like, I hear this lady walking. And her big fat chicken too. And this lady's shoes, I'm gonna tell y'all something. This lady's shoes, she walking right? She walking like a model or something, like, right? But her shoes, she got them pointy elf ass shoes, like, so I don't know why, but she got them shoes like them flip flops. Them shits are smacking the floor so hard. It's like, so that's what you hear in her shoes. I might get caught for talk about her. No fault though. Y'all heard that? That was her. Her shoes are smacking the hard floor so hard. Don't know what to say anymore. I might leave off right here, guys. I'm so sorry. I might leave off right here though. I'm so scared to go out this door. Hey puppy. Hey puppy. I'm making noise in the hallway. Come get me. I'm twerking. Hola, mama. Hola, mami. I'm making noise. I'm twerking. I'm twerking in the bathroom. Come get me. Hola. Es amigos. I don't know what I'm saying. Hola. Hey, mami, Lunita. Oh, puppy. Puppy, I'm making noise in the bathroom. Come get me. Whoa, that sounds suspicious. That sounds hella sus. Come get me. Ooh. Did not mean to drop that. Give my plank. Do that. Snatch that up. Snatch it up. Hola, amigos. like this noise. Hola. Hey, oi, papi. Hey, papi. Making noise in the bathroom. I'm slamming your door. I'm being noisy.
Is it you?
Damn! She hit me with 2 piece. Fuck. She hit me with a 2-piece. Dang. The chicken fought me. Chicken. Come on, next. She hit me with a 2-piece with a pack of nuggets on the side with ranch and cheese on the side, you know, pack of nuggets, some fries, with a whole drink. Just bought me up like I was nothing. I guess she was mad because she was really finna for her doors now. Whatever. Anyway, guys, that's it. So, anyway, guys, I'm gonna try to make an episode 2. If you guys want episode 2, oh my god, guys. If you guys want episode 2, make sure to like and subscribe. If this video can get 100 likes or 50 likes, I will make a part 2. And yeah, that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you later.